Hey everybody, it's Uncle Bill here. Today we're going to do a little special episode. Actually, I'm going to try to put a little more of these together for everyone. Times are tough, things are expensive, and I want to show you how to make some amazing dishes without breaking the bank. Alright, so stay tuned. We're going to head over to my local Kroger's and see what they got cooking.
Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Alright, coming into my local Kroger's here first thing in the morning. The best time to come in is in the morning because that's when you're going to have first access to all the great deals. Grab yourself a little mini cart and let's get started. First thing I'm going to look for are some peppers, and here we have them on sale. Ooh, $1.25 a piece, 4 for $5. Don't let them suck you in. You don't need to buy 4. They're $1.25 a piece. We're going to get what we're needing and move on to our next stop. Here we've got some yellow onions, a full 3-pound bag for $2.79. Last bag, we're going to grab that for sure. Now, most people, they'll come over to their cheese section here and they're just going to grab some provolone or whatever they need, and they're going to just grab the first one that they see. They think that's a great deal, but let me tell you something, folks. These first sections are their high-end boar's head cheese. This stuff is expensive, and yes, it's good, but there's also equally good for a lot less than $6.99 a package. Let me show you. You're going to keep walking down your aisle over here, and on your left side at Kroger's, and every store is different but usually has similar qualities, you're going to see, take a look at this. $3.99 a package, same weight, same amount. It's just private select. We're going to get this provolone cheese here, and we're going to be extremely happy for saving 50%. That's right. The reduced price bread section. Every cook's dream and where you need to go first thing in the morning if you want to get the great deals. Look at these beautiful loaves of bread, 99 cents, usually $2, and they are not expired yet. They actually have a full day before they expire. All this stuff is good and is gone fast, so make sure you get there early. Now, we're not here for this today, but boneless beef chuck for $4.99 a pound is an amazing price, and look at these cuts. You might want to pick something up for a future date when you've got these kind of sales. They last a long time in your freezer and are always good to eat. Whenever at the store, always keep an eye out for sales on your staples. Sour cream is something I use a lot, and at $1.79, I can't pass this up. Make sure to check your expiration dates, and then if it's good to go, so are you. Alright, one of the main reasons I came here today was they have a 50% off Angus beef. That's right, Angus beef. Where is it? Here it is. Look at that. Steakum. $12.49 knocked down to $5.99. Now, these may not seem like much, but they are 100% beef and 100% delicious. They're so good, they're actually sold out. But don't you worry, folks. I've got 2 packages at home in my freezer waiting for us. everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss episodes as they come out. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have been sharing our episodes on your social media platforms. It's really been helping a lot and sending a lot of traffic our way, and I'm doing what it is that I want to do best, which is help people learn how to cook simple, easy, and delicious food. If you'd like to be a bigger part of Uncle Bill's Kitchen, consider becoming a Patreon member. It helps our channel out a lot, gives me funds so that I can buy better produce and give you better recipes on this channel. If that's too much, consider becoming a coffee member. Just buy me a little cup of coffee. Links in the description below.